Do and tie, just pull. This is how you connect the twin buckle to your shoelaces. Start at the bottom, thread to the top, and then back down to the bottom. This goes for both sides. Same at the front. Start at the bottom, thread to the top, and back down to the bottom. You can pull the button to loosen and pull the laces to tighten. This is how you disconnect the shoelaces. Pull the laces on the sides and make the aglet touch the buckle. Then, push the aglet to the top to disconnect. If you can't push the aglet through, use a flat tool or a toothpick to push on the laces 2 to 3 times. Once you disconnect one lace, it will be easier to disconnect the other one. Twin buckle makes oval and flat laces easier to use.